This is the thing you are looking for in somebody else's table that you'll tell me very soon.
I don't understand. Is it not file? Am I not supposed to check here? What's your
Why
problem?
don't I trust you? I don't feel you are actually looking for what you're
Okay, best shift when you go sit down for one side and then.
I say you know they rep me for this office, so I tell you, you do not rep me.
Okay, who you be?
Have you seen a man?
Who you be when
Odogu Banana? Hey! See, you don't know who you get. 10 men in one. Sweet melicon of a man.
If they call man, you go line up among men.
I know be you now.
You wear the squat, you never pay house rent. You see they beg for food, they go beg madam for promotion. You call yourself man.
The only thing wey pay me about you, see, you now you be woman wey they call woman when women know the house.
Everybody come on. Everybody come on. Welcome to the office. Another one. Welcome to the office.
Madam, no too much.
At least you are the woman that is not calling women when women at home. You know the matter.
Really?
Yeah.
Have you seen me?
Of course.
I'm a spec.
Show me yourself, let me really see if you
I
are.
am a I don't need to show you myself.
See, in this office, do you realize the fact that just 2 days ago, a woman came here and this woman was just all over me, like the fact that she has never seen a man of this timber and caliber. A man that is sweet, Leonard, knows the job that he's doing.
You like this. You as you did like this woman, they look you.
Ask anybody, it's a painful thing that these people are not here. If they were there, I would have told you what happened.
Oh God, you they lie.
I immediately the woman entered. We faced ourselves like this, and the woman was looking at me like this. It was slow, and breeze was blowing. It was like... Thank God. Fred, tell this woman that's called a woman when women are not at home. Tell her what happened the other day that woman came here and was looking at me like...
Don't worry. See, you don't lie. Let me ask him myself. Okay, what happened yesterday?
Yesterday? You say 2 days ago. You say yesterday.
That day that woman came here and was asking me out. Now that day that woman that was carrying me up and down.
Let me ask him myself.
Okay.
What happened yesterday?
Beatrice! Hey! Wetin my eye see that day, my mouth no fit talk. If you see this woman, agaraga wine like this, that woman dey spend money. As she first enter, as she look at Martins like this, she say, hello. Hey, wetin be that thing wey she call you? No. She call you hello, handsome.
Why do I feel that you guys are lying to me?
No be lie.
You are lying.
Now here I stand that day, I say hello, handsome. I don't think say Fred go say I know handsome. Even Fred form handsome. I know say you don't too fine, but it's okay. The way the woman talk am, even Fred begin feel like say himself handsome. Hello, handsome. Like they carry this the woman talk. She dey lick man. Anyway, she don't know your value.
Nobody know my value for this office. Tell them apart from that one, the way I meant that girl, all the people that call what do you call her again? That you people call madam. Small madam. That's I don't tell you to call her madam anytime what they hear.
Why do you call her madam?
Because she's not a madam for me.
I don't understand.
You don't listen to where they meant that girl for you.
Madam as how?
Beati, sit down, make I tell you gist. You know say you two dey go for field work, you know wetin dey happen for office. That day, I dey here dey sleep. I don't even know why sleep carry me that day. As I sleep like this, as I just dey sleep, the sleep carry me. Na small madam come say, hey, make I wake up. As I wake up, I think say fire dey burn. Now she begin dey holla. Say why I go dey sleep for office? Now I come say na just small nap, I want nap. I think na wetin I dey call her semester. I say make I take small semester. As she just come dey holla. The next thing, as she wan slap me, I say she no go slap me. She say I go slap me. I say she no go slap me. The next thing, as she wan slap me, now I hold her hand like this. I no believe say I fit hold her hand o. Na here I just leave am. I say hey, make small madam no go put me for trouble. I think say I don get a sack letter. The next thing, if you see as Martins begin holla like you small madam, it's a small thing. Martins begin holla, give her voice. He tell her say if you try that kind thing
next time. No, that was not the way. I stood up to her and I told her to your face, Listen, let me tell you something. The next time you talk to any man that's the man in this office, I will deal with you. Simple as that. I didn't need to speak too much.
This grammar when they speak, he still pass this grammar. All the grammar when they speak, that they even me. I
don't need to waste this kind of grammar. The girl that doesn't know what to do.
That means I can't miss well.
You think that you miss plenty? That day, I come out my heart. I come out my heart.
So most times I don't like to show myself. When I get angry, the substance inside of me, when it starts coming out.
Amatilala!
But this thing where you talk.
I can't handle
But that thing where you do for me now.
No, sometimes we need to show them. Sometimes we need to let them know, say, I they work for you because of the collect salary. You know, women when they chase me for outside, if I just stand up,
You don't do. You don't make maths pass with you.
No, not be fast.
And then why I go promise you one bottle of beer now? That thing.
Oh, don't go.
Or you don't send and then they pay your salary.
No, not be so.
No, send and then
Now because I want to work, no, if I go use waste work for outside, I go use waste work for outside. Not because I don't want to use waste work. If I want, I know as I put it with.
The way you behave, I don't say. So, madam.
Welcome, man.
Organic, man.
I beg now, what we do when she ignore us?
I don't know that you want to get rep, I know the year.
Be like say this girl dey wake up for morning, drink holy fire, put for body, and that fire na she go dey carry the move up and down, up and down. Person go just dey body.
Welcome, man.
Madam the mother. Toilet mo come out. All correct, man.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Welcome, ma'am.
Welcome.
Welcome, ma'am.
Be like today na what vex day.
I'm in my department.
Today na what vex day.
Wetin dey happen?
Na me and you dey here dey see wetin dey happen. And you dey ask me wetin dey.
Before they go come sack me.
Today I no fit sleep.
Sleep, you know, they sack you. Rubbish. Now sleep, you come here, come sleep.
Who dey here?
What a pleasant surprise.
Get me Rachel.
Now! And is everything okay? If there's something wrong, let's go somewhere and sort it out.
Nini Hassan!
I know why she's here. I have a confession to make. You know, when I traveled away for some time, when I went to see a man, you know, mommy's going to kill me. She's going to stay with me. And mommy kills me. We don't have another sister. Please. Why didn't you tell me this? Please tell me. Just tell her that I'm wrong.
You have 1 minute!
There's no clients around me. Okay, go tell the gate man to lock the gates. Right, so that no clients will witnesses. You guys focus on your task. Tell everybody, please.
Make I go put ear for dogs. Hey! Everybody come. Jeez, day.
Rachel Hansen, where were you 2 weeks ago?
Mommy, I told you now. Mommy,
Hey? Hey? Jesus. You should have known better than standing in my way when I'm disciplining my child. Now tell me, did you know about it? Answer me!
Mommy, you just slapped me. I'm still rebooting.
I do not want to repeat myself.
Mommy, I don't know what's going on. Ray said that you approved of her trip.
You didn't care to check with me. No, you heard and you did not care to check with me. How do you think I will possibly say okay to my child following a total stranger that she barely knows? A man she met online 3 days before she jumped in like a hooker. And yet you never checked with me.
Mommy, in case you haven't noticed, Rachel is a grown woman now. I cannot continue to monitor her. I shouldn't.
Oh, okay. Rachel Hansen, you're a grown woman, right? Is that how I raised you? If you make me repeat myself, I swear, it will come with special effect and soundtracks.
How big would it be that special effect and soundtrack where they sound for inside?
Special effect and soundtrack. Even me, I code that one.
Now start talking!
Mommy, I know what I did was wrong, and I know that you raised me better than this. Mommy, you promised that you will help me start a business. And I don't want to suffer like how Nini suffered when she was starting her own.
Oh. So tell me, what is wrong in starting small? What is wrong in starting small? Okay, you want to do business, right? No, let's talk about it. Let us talk about it. Let's talk about it. What type of business do you want to do?
Mommy, I've not decided yet.
What? Jesus. And then I have failed. No, I have failed as a mother. Rachel, you mean you went off to Cape Town with a man? You spent a week with a man without a plan? No, tell me, even if you had a plan, did you ever consider your safety or the consequences that would have come with it? No. Rachel, do you need me to list the possible consequences of what you did? Did you ever consider sex trafficking, drug trafficking, even rituals? Or you think that it's only in Nigeria that rituals can be done? No, tell me. I raised you more than this. I raised you to be a Christian. What if something had happened to you? What if something bad had happened to my baby? Oh, tell me, where did I miss it? Where did I go wrong with you? Rachel, by the way, I heard of your arrest.
Mommy, that was a misunderstanding now.
What kind of life are you living? What kind of life are you living? I am broken. I am broken and I am disappointed.
Mommy, no, it's okay.
No, it's not okay. I do not want you to say a word to me because I don't want to hear it. It's not okay. Nothing is okay. Nothing is okay. I thought you are a disciplinarian, which is the only reason that I left your kid sister with you. Now what is it? And you? Did you even tell your sister that you wanted to start a business? Why do you always want to prove a point? Why? Shut up! I'm so disappointed. And I am so broken. So you shut up and listen!
I swear to God, you sweet me, I barely die. Now the only thing I want to hear be that.
Your mama na fire.
Why are last borns always like this? I mean, I've always noticed that last born try so hard to show themselves a lot.
Oga, I take God they beg you. Nothing concern last borns for this one. I
beg. Wait, you be last born. Show me yourself and yourself go show sharp. When you toss a person, show me yourself, the person go show. Show me yourself, the person go show. Show me yourself, the person go show. You see your life.
The problem when I get
example.
with two of them, I say, they always find any moment to knock on her head together.
I know if you knock my head, John Stone.
You're going to make me cry too. Stop. It's fine. How did mommy find out? And then I know you were not aware of it, so how did she know? Stop, it's okay. But I shouldn't have gone on that trip. Now mommy is angry. It's okay, stop. It's okay. It's okay, you're going to make me... Stop calling me already, I beg. Is it him? Yes. Don't worry about it. I know he has been calling me. Huh? Then you block his line now. I cannot block him. I want him to continue to call me. Oh, you put your phone on DND? I'm a businesswoman. Okay. I cannot afford to do that. I have clients calling me. But let him continue to call me, eh? His conscience will continue to pretty me. I don't care. Look, I just need it to be okay. Alright? Then speaking of that matter... What? Can you stop calling me? Just stop. Ah! Are you okay? It's fine. What? Which matter? So, about what happened in the office yesterday, Nini, please, you have to address it. Are you sure you're ready for it now? You're not in a good state. Oh, Ray, you know what you did was wrong, right? What did I do? You don't know. I didn't do anything. You really don't know? I was only trying to correct him. He was sleeping on duty. Who sleeps on duty? So, my man mistakenly hit him. Mistakenly? Yes. And then Fred has no reason to talk to me. Martin had no reason to talk to me like that. Well, if what you told me is true, I cannot fault them. I'm not justifying what they did. But, Ray, come on. You hit him. Eh? And Fred, I've never seen Fred angry. That's not who he is. Since I was correcting him. But you know that you're the youngest person here. I know, I understand that age is not a thing in a work setting. But it will always be at the back of their minds. They are human beings. Why would he hit him? And why would he emasculate him? You ask me if he's really a man. Why? Why would you hit him? If they gang up against you, if one of them decides to beat you and just forfeit their job and just beat you, who would defend? I wasn't here. Who would have defended you? How would he have coped with it? Why would they even want to hit a woman in the first place? Oh, why would a woman hit a man in the first place? What? No gender has a right to violence, baby. Oh, so you know you cannot even defend yourself when... So why would you challenge a man? Why? I was not challenging him. I was trying to correct him and
So it's wrong. Okay. Sis, actually, yeah, there's something I need to tell you. It's about time I told you this.
What is it?
Only Mom knows about this.
Okay.
So please don't utter a word of it to anybody.
Okay. What is it?
Why do you think Fred doesn't get commission on sales?
I don't know.
You've never thought of it?
I didn't think it was worthy of thinking of.
With the number of clients he brings here, who doesn't want to make an extra commission? Sis, Fred owns shares in this company.
Are you serious?
But he has asked me to invest his proceeds, his profits, or whatever money is due to him on his behalf. He doesn't want to know about it. He just wants me to invest them into properties or money market funds, whatever investment I see best. So, baby girl, you slapped your second boss.
I'm sorry. It was a mistake. And I'm very ashamed now. How do I face him?
Look, don't get me wrong. I really appreciate you and all of the effort you make in this company. I love the way you put them in check. It's very good. But you have to try to find a way to manage your temper and build a healthy relationship with these people. It's very important. You can't continue. You won't survive life this way. Relationships are important, especially with the people you work with.
I'm sorry.
You know what? I think you should call them. Let's have a small assembly here and address this.
I cannot face these people now.
But you have to face them one way or the other.
It's already too late for that. They will laugh at me.
It's better to fix it now, isn't it? Go call them. Yeah. What are you doing here?
Baby.
Get out.
Baby, I'm sorry.
Please leave.
Baby, I am sorry. I did not know what came over me, please.
You don't know what came over. You're embarrassing me. This is not the time. This is not the place. Just leave.
Baby, is that why you're not picking my calls? I've been calling you. Look at check now. I've been calling you.
I don't want to speak to you.
Baby, I'm sorry now. I'm sorry.
Oh, now you're sorry. Please stay out. No, stay out of this. I know you want to beg me.
Just calm down.
But then, who do madam this kind of thing? Eh? Who madam this way for?
So now you're sorry. I thought you called it a baseless accusation before.
Sis, please just calm down, please.
Please stay out of this, Ray.
Baby, it's the devil. It's not me.
You do something bad and then you blame the devil. Please leave.
Hey.
Baby,
please just leave. I'll get the security guard to throw you out.
The thing you heard?
Babe, it's me, babe.
Nini.
Baby. Baby, please, now I'm sorry.
Please go.
Babe.
Please just go. Fred, throw him out, please. Do your job, Fred!
If you touch me out,
okay, yeah, madam, go, come on.
What will you do? What will you do? What will you do?
Bro, sorry, bro, babe, I'm sorry now, man. I'm sorry, I'm a changed man. Please, you people should help me and beg her now, please. Madam,
why are you involving them? What are you people begging for? Why are you involving them?
Please.
Madam, please, you people should help me and beg her. Please. Madam, please.
What are you begging for? Please. I asked you to handle this privately, right? I asked you to leave. This is not the time or place. Why are you embarrassing me in front of my staff?
I'm not embarrassing. I just want them to help me and beg.
Help you and beg? What are you people begging for? What do you know he did?
Madam,
okay, now you want to make me the bad person, yeah? Unforgiving and heartless. Okay, since you want to make it public, tell them what you did.
Madam,
tell them what they are begging for.
I believe anything he has done, you people can settle it amicably, madam.
Yes.
So you don't want to know what he did?
Thank you, bro. Thank you.
Just forgive him, madam.
My guy, for what?
No, madam.
Are you not supposed to be...
Man to man, please, madam, please.
Please tell them what you did.
Told us what you did now.
Huh?
You cannot talk again. There's no swear for you.
Babe,
Can we what?
Can we settle this thing in private?
Oh, now you want to settle it in private? No. Please tell them what you did.
Oga, just tell us. Let's know.
You have made it public. Let it be.
A close match is close destiny.
Yes. Do not judge me.
Please leave if you're not ready to talk.
Okay, how we talk. You people, guys, you know how it is now. You know the devil is roaming about the earth looking for idle mind.
To devour.
So guys, you know as it is now. I was lonely, so I just saw small temptation like that.
I don't understand. What now happened?
So I said I should cheat small.
Hey! Small. Hey! Brian, small.
On our madam.
This is not the first time you have done this. I forgive you and take you back, and you do it again. There is no reason. You call this small, so now you want me to believe that you're genuinely apologetic.
Yes, I swear I'm genuine. I'm genuine. Babe, please, you cannot break this our relationship. I love you.
I'm done. I can't do it anymore. I'm sorry. Please just leave.
You can't
You are cheating on top of boss lady.
On our madam.
Cheating on top of boss
I
lady.
don't understand. Please calm down. Don't do that.
You know what?
Please go.
You know what? You know what? Is this how you want it?
This is how I want it.
But you know everything is your fault.
Our madam's fault.
Yes.
How?
You know everything is your fault. You chose your career over this our relationship. You always left me lonely. I'll be at home, you'll be at work. If you're not traveling abroad, you're traveling to Abuja, you're going to Port-Harcourt, real estate conference everywhere around the world. I was lonely. Now what did you expect me to do?
I was already doing this job. You know how busy I am. And you know how much I've made sacrifices to spend time with you, to do things to make you happy. That's not enough. What? You want me to pack up my company and just sit at home and just stare in your face from night to day?
Like an idle girl.
Is that what you want? I made sacrifices.
It is not what I want, but put yourself in my shoes. Look at it from my own perspective. I was lonely. I just cheat small.
Can you not apologize?
Madam cannot enter your shoe.
It's no justification to cheat on me. I am done, Brian. Please just go.
Done and over.
Don't make this more.
Don't
make this more complicated than it is.
Don't want to be a player no more.
Martin, this is not the time.
Okay. Okay.
Please.
Is that how you want it to be?
Go, Sisi, go.
Just go.
Is that how you want it to be?
Go.
Go.
Is that how you want it to be?
Yes, leave, Brian.
Regret this.
You want shout?
If I leave here, you know that you're going to regret this.
Go, my
You
madam.
need me more than you need yourself.
Hey!
I am the air that you breathe. I am your oxygen. You?
Brian, just
No, see, Ray, I know she's your sister, but I knew when I met your sister, was she like this?
I don't understand. My sister has always been hardworking.
She has always been. Does she have swag? She started rolling with me, and now she has swag. She has steez, and now you want to dump me. It's not possible.
My sister in front of me.
Hey,
Brian, just leave.
Before I can't fight.
You don't have steez. Cleaned you up, and now you want me to leave. You will regret this.
my madam has teeth.
Oh yeah, go. I thought you were leaving. Please.
I will leave.
Yes, leave.
I will leave.
Leave.
You want me to leave?
Out.
I will leave.
Use the door.
I will leave. Don't you ever call me in your life.
I will never.
Don't call me.
Gladly, I'll lose your number. Just go.
Fine, open the door for me. You're opening the door, baby, please. I am sorry, I can't leave with you.
Hey, Odumeje. I never seen this one before.
I'm sorry now.
Yeah, before I count 1 to 5 now. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Baby, I'm sorry, I can't leave now. I can't
Brian,
leave.
just...
I learn boxing, I learn boxing, Don't let me pass on you.
So you brought me to your office to embarrass me. No problem.
I came here to embarrass yourself.
No problem.
Please leave.
We'll see.
Leave.
We'll see.
Brian,
I'll leave.
go.
Get out! The end is not...
Martin, it's not the time for this. Sis. Sis, sorry.
Sorry, madam.
So sorry, please.
It's okay. Yes.
Sorry, madam.
It's okay.
Madam, sorry,
So
man.
sorry. Sorry for the heartbreak. May God compliment your heart. May God console your soul.
So you guys were out there eavesdropping all this while?
No, we know it's for the drug.
So now ghost I see. Ba? I'm having private conversations and you're listening into my conversation.
Madam, sorry.
Madam, please.
Sorry, madam. Sorry, madam.
I was the last to come to you.
Anyway, it's fine. I actually asked her to call you guys before all of this drama ensued. I want to talk about what happened yesterday. Between you and Ray, Fred, Martin. Fred,
Madam.
what I'm about to say is in no way justifying what she did to you. But you need to stop sleeping in the office. You don't do. Eh?
Madam, I will try. I will try now just because you work too much. And you
Please don't lie. Thank you.
You only here at the work. They work another place security for night.
Why didn't you tell me?
Madam, they try for me well. And I know fit put another problem for your head. That's the one way I don't carry already.
Okay, so
and
we'll find
too much.
we'll find a way to put an end to this.
Thank you.
We'll put an end to this. You will not work 2 jobs anymore.
Hey, madam, beg. Now only this work I get. How can I help me beg, madam?
Let me finish!
Hey.
You need to give up that job. And you come to me so that we'll discuss the salary increment.
Madam, you mean this way?
Yes, because you cannot... health is wealth. You cannot continue in this way.
Hey!
You have to review your salary so you can take care of your child and your... and Kateri. It's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Sorry. Hey, madam, you're too much. Hey.
Ray, do you have anything to say?
Fred, I'm sorry for hitting you yesterday. It was a slip of my hand. I'm sorry, I shouldn't have ever done it before.
Madam, it be like air they pay me.
You don't agree?
Yes.
Ah, Fred, I told you. Martin.
No problem at all.
Beatrice.
Sis, Martin will apologize to me. He called me a privileged girl, insulted me. He will apologize.
Why don't we all just hug it out, eh? Yeah. Let's just hug it out, okay? Alright. Come on.
What did I miss? What's going on?
To err is to woman and to forgive is to man.
What is he saying?
They understand. We are family. Woo, 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 woo. We are family. Woo, woo, woo.
Everybody get back to work. Police.
Everybody come on. Everybody come on. Have fun now. Welcome to the office.
Another one. Madam, make a rap for this song. Make a rap for this song. I beg now, please. I beg. Let me rap, please. Well, nice. Yeah. Everybody come on. Everybody come. Everybody come. While I know too much.
Too fast. And the guest talks not of our line of question.
So let's count like 10 seconds. Count like 10 seconds.
Make I go put ear for door. Make I go put ear for door. Hey, come on, let me take that again.
You're telling everybody, calm down. So that they will follow you.
Make I tell, who am I telling? Everybody.
Your colleagues, they are telling everybody, calm down.
Calm down.
You just calm down, don't worry.
You think I want make I do director play? What do you want here?
Just
Mom, make I go put ear for door.
make I go put ear for dog.
Yes,
then you go. Yes. Come.
Alright.
Thank you. Climb. Are you ready? Action.
Let's move this thing now.
No, you don't cut.
Why did you enter the show?
No.
I saw you doing like this.
The line stop me. Now that's stop me.
I was in the caution tree.
I didn't touch you.
Let's go. Let's go.
Can you see?
Pick up. So we're picking up from holding 12 now, they're holding our head. Mama, go close to them. Your hand they come up on Nini's face.
Okay.
No, like this.
Like this.
Alright, so your hand on the head. Just put your hand on her face. Then when I say action, it's over. Action!
Here we
You never reach. We have to slap first. 10 seconds later, then we do that one. And
Not to look am, because of the. Call your shots.
still rolling. And action.
It's shit.
It's ready.
Did she say it again? Did you say that I don't want to repeat myself 2 times?
No, you will not tell me that she said I'm aware of
Go back.
Okay, back.
Oh, she said it 2 times. Oh. So which one now is it?
I said the one I said the second time I said if you make me repeat.
Okay. So.
Are we going?
So we stay from this is how I raised you.
No, that's too back.
No, but we've taken
This is how I
that.
raised you. If you make me repeat myself, it will come with special effects.
Okay.
No, there's something you said that killed me.
What do I keep?
Mom,
She's a
I shouldn't. Okay.
Don't worry. Okay. Stand by.
I'm coming on action. That's what I'm moving for.
Okay.
Pick up.
Action!
Go. I thought you were leaving. Please.
I will leave.
Yes, leave.
I will leave.
Leave!
Baby, I can live without you, please.
Hey! Odumeje!
Can you laugh?
Oh, you're fine. Let's go. Pick up. The character. 3.
As you open that far for there to show.
Fan.
I'm getting the 5 of
Shift that.
Okay, so she not open
Oh yeah,
the door.
no, open the door fully. Just small. Let's go. Stand by.
And pick up.
Come.
3, 2, 1. Action.
Natasha is supposed to come in. Oh, sorry.
Wait. Please. So what is she coming to do?
Just to.
So John, what did I miss?
Just to join the org.
Just say, where were you? I was eating.
Okay. David, enter.
When she don't talk out.
Okay.
Just enter.
Just enter. What did I miss? Okay.
You know talk out early now.
No.
Say it after the hug.
I was expecting you to say it.
Say it after the hug. Do you know what in fact, I want Fred to say it in the camera.
Yes.
To say what?
I want you to do metallitics in the camera.
To say what?
To err is divine, to forgive.
To err is divine, to forgive is... to err is...
Human.
To forgive
Is divine. To err is human, to forgive is divine. So
To
to err is divine, to forgive is human.
Standing by, still
In
rolling.
fact, don't get that. Just say to err is divine. To
That's the
forgive.
correct, that's the wrong
To
one.
err is to whine and
No,
to
but
forgive is
the
divine.
one where we even change self still makes sense.
To err is to whine. To err is to whine. To forgive is to mine.
But I don't say, Fred, what are you saying? They understand. Then we'll go up.
Still rolling, so action Tasha comes in.
Wait, no, chill.
To err is to whine. To forgive is to mine.
Oh yeah, so when I go just come out
To
small.
mash.
When I go just come out small, then when I say action, when I go hug it out,
Okay.
3, 2, 1, and action!
To err is to whine. To forgive is to mine. We are family. We are family. Family. We are family.
One second. Now everybody's at peace.
Alright, peace. You two like fight.
Everybody's at peace.
Okay.
Everybody's at peace.
Everybody can
Let's
dance
leave
here
that
now. Dance now. We're not at the end of this.
To err is what?
Okay.
See, I like
No, let's react easy.
Finish up now.
No,
I was about to say they understand what I mean.
Did you get Tasha?
Fred, what are you saying?
we are all supposed to Fred, what did you just say?
To
err is to
whine.
whine. To forgive is to mine.
No. To err is to man. To forgive
Is to mash.
No, something divine. Something that rhymes with divine. But
So that's what you say to mine.
To mine.
To
To err is to
I like that
mine.
to
To
woman.
forgive is to mine.
mine. Leave it.
To err is to man.
Is to woman. To forgive is to man.
To err is to human.
To err is to woman. To forgive is to man.
What are you saying? No, they understand. Then we will consider that we are family.
Okay.
Let's go. Go on, Tasha.
Oh, okay.
Let's grab in, pulling Tasha into the hug, please.
Okay. Tasha, come here. Let's pull you inside.
No.
Sorry.
No.
Go back. Director.
Okay, sorry.
Jimmy will come back now. Come.
No. From there.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, and action.
Nice.
Small madam.
What's going on? What the hell is?
Yeah, let's make it.
It's a quote.